Today, I just wanted to get out into the woods and have a meal. I am testing out some of the different backpacking meals so that when I go on my first backpacking trip, I will only be bringing along meals that I've tested, that I enjoy, and that I know are good. So today's just going to be a nice, relaxing day, nice, relaxing video. If you are not subscribed to my channel yet, be sure to hit that subscribe button and the little bell next to it so that you will be notified anytime I release a new video. All right, made my coffee. I just did a video on this coffee rocket, and that's how I made this. It was actually worked really, really well. So if you would like to watch that video, I'll link it above. Anywho, let's get down to it. Today, we're going to be making chicken and mashed potato dinner from Mountain House. Mountain House meals are 10 bucks a pop, and they're very lightweight. This entire container weighs 3.7 ounces, which is super dope if you are backpacking. All you need for this is water. So I am going to boil some water in my jet boil, which takes about a minute. And from there, I'm going to add it to this, let it sit, stir it a couple of times, and go to town. I really try to stay gluten-free because it messes up my joints and I just feel like crap. So I am going to be testing out all of the Mountain House gluten-free meals. This one is gluten-free, and this is, again, the chicken and mashed potato dinner. Looks like for a single serving, 220 calories. For this entire container, 450. I mean, not a ton of carbs. 20 grams for a single serving, 40 grams for the entire container. It's pretty good. And 43 grams of protein for this entire container, along with 13 grams of fat. So you're gonna hit your macros pretty well. This would be a nice snack on the trail. So I think, let's see, how much water do we need? 1 3/4 cup of water, so 14 ounces. All right, let's get this jet boil ready. I just made coffee, so I've got a little bit of water in here, but not a ton. Ooh, I got some sand in there too. Let's see, I used 16, so I probably used a solid 8. Let's put another 8. All right. The jet boil boils really quickly. Boop. Let's see. All right, let's get this over here and get it started. It's always incredible to me how fast these jet boils work. You can hear it. That took about 1 minute and 10 seconds. Water is boiled. Let's get this party started. Mangled that container. All right, this one looks to have a pouch of potato in it. Ooh, looky in there. It's all freeze-dried chicken. Do not eat this. Okay, let's read the directions so we know what you're doing. All right, we opened it, took out the oxygen absorber. Remove this. All right, so we need to add all of the water into this, close it up for 5 minutes, stir it, and then we're gonna add the potatoes. Let's do that. Let's give that a little stir. Let's get the rest in there. All right, let's set a timer for 5 minutes. Now it says I need to empty the packet of potatoes into the chicken and then let it sit for 2 more minutes. So I'm going to do that. Let's stir it up a little bit more and see if it's ready. Oh, it looks ready. Looks potato-y. Yeah, it's good. Needs a little doctoring up. Maybe a little bit of butter, salt and pepper, and maybe some garlic powder, of which I have all 4 of those items. A little salt. I actually got this little container in Spain, whoops, when I was biking the Camino long, long ago. Yes. Just a touch of butter. And then on my handy dandy spice rack, probably use some pepper and some garlic. Oh shoot, that came out a lot faster than I thought it was going to. Let's not do the same thing with the pepper. Oh my god. It's okay, I like garlic. Doctored it up a bit. Seems pretty good. That's really, really good. Hearty too. I feel like after a long day on the trail, sitting down and having an easy meal like this that tastes really good really helps with the morale. And I don't know, I just kind of like hearty, home-cooked tasting things. Couldn't be easier than that. One thing I do need though is a very lightweight foldable camp chair, because this old lady can't sit on the ground. I mean, I can, but my hips hurt. Alright, well that's it for me today. Be sure to hit that subscribe button and the little bell next to it to make sure that you are notified anytime I release a new video. Alright, we'll see you next time.